I must say, you look absolutely splendid. I know I say that about every bride and groom, but in your case, it's very true, and in your case, it's very much about yourselves. You're glowing, the two of you.
Claire was our first child, and I suppose, you know, she was the apple of our eye at that stage, and she still is. And I remember in my innocence saying to Jacinta when Sarah was born, I says, poor old Sarah, she'll play second fiddle to Claire all along, you know.
Sarah's a fantastic girl, lovely, down-to-earth, smart girl, and leaves nobody out. Everybody is important to her. And she's from a lovely family, and I wish them the best of luck.
Firstly, I'd like to welcome my beautiful wife, Mrs. McCaig, to the family. Don't you all agree? I think she looks amazing. I'm very, very lucky, but poor Sarah, I don't think isn't that lucky.
Oh, honey, how are you?
I cannot take you, Sarah, as my wife, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and health, on the days of our life.
Conor, wear this ring as a sign of our faithful love. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Very good, he's a very decent lad, and I think from the first days that he arrived into the house, he settled into our house, no problem. It was a very seamless friendship, if you like, between ourselves and Conor all along, which was great.
Firstly, I'd like to welcome my beautiful wife, Mrs. McTagg, to the family. Don't you all agree? I think she looks amazing. I'm very, very lucky, but poor Sarah, I don't think isn't that lucky.